before we start to the main video, we would like to introduce ourselves first. My name is Fitria.
My name is Intan,
and we will give you a tutorial to use EF Hello to learn English in a fun way.
EF Hello is designed to help you improve your English quickly and effectively. Whether you are a beginner or advanced, this app is perfect for you.
Now let's walk through how to use EF Hello step by step.
First, you need to download the EF Hello app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's downloaded, open the app and sign up for a new account using your email or your social media account. During the live class, you can interact with the teacher and other students. You can ask questions, answer the teacher question, and practice speaking in English. After logging in, EF Hello will ask you to set your learning goals. In here, you have to choose your best level such as beginners, intermediate, or matters in English. This helps the app tailor your lesson according to your needs.
I choose intermediate, and then I choose school. I set up the daily reminders, and we start to use EF Hello. After signing up, you will see the main dashboard. Here, you can choose what you want to do. If you want to join a live class, just tap on the live class button. You'll see a list of upcoming classes. Choose the classes that fits on your schedule and tap to join. If you prefer self-study, go to the lesson session. Here you'll find various lessons on different topics such as grammar, vocabulary, and anything else. Simply select a lesson that you're interested in and start learning at your own pace. In here, I choose the intermediate level and I start to do lesson with vocabulary test. They serve a video and sound that will help us to do the quiz.
I am so tired.
Listen to the recording carefully.
Hey, are you still looking for a job?
I am. Why?
I saw an interesting job ad in the paper today.
She said that she saw this advertisement on the newspaper. So the answer is this one. And if there is any mistaken, EF Hello can explain you the mistake like this. The next one, and the practice of vocabulary is done.
One of the best features is practice speaking. To use this, tap on the practice speaking icon. You will be matched with another user and you can start a conversation in English.
We hired him as he's hardworking and motivated.
We hired him as he's hardworking and motivated.
It's a great way to practice your speaking skill and make new friends. The voice recognition technology will give you immediate feedback so you know if you are saying these things correctly.
Besides that, EF Hello also have a feature that can improve our reading skill. How? This is the guide. We will get a text and we have to read that. We have to answer all these questions and there is text that we can read here. After that, we just have to answer the right answer. We also can practice grammar based on recording or a simple sentence. There is a blank that we can fill it, and we have to fill the blank with the right answer.
So that's how to use EF Hello. It's a simple and effective way to learn English. You can study anywhere, anytime, right from your phone.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope it helps you to get started with EF Hello. Happy learning and you'll see in the next tutorial. Bye!